Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change email address on Facebook. So if you're looking to change your email address on the Facebook app in 2025, here's exactly how you can do it. It's super simple. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Then tap on the three horizontal lines. You will usually find them on the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down a bit until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then go into Settings. Now, under Account Settings, look for the option that says Personal Details and then tap on Contact Info. This is where all your email and phone info is stored. You will see your current email listed there, but right underneath, there should be an option to add email address. So go ahead and tap on it. Now just type in your new email and hit add email. Facebook will send a confirmation link to the email you just entered. So go to your inbox, find that message, and click the confirmation link inside. Your Facebook email is now updated. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.